Systems are green.
Trajectory locked.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thrusters are firing, attitude stable. Arrays deploying, mission is a go.
Moving on to routine satellite maintenance.
Sir, enemy air attacks on our country. They are heading toward major cities.
This is it.
Activate the space missile system immediately.
Full authorization granted. Let's move.
Initiating wake-up sequence. Satellite link established.
System activation confirmed.
Systems are fully operational, awaiting target coordinates.
Full authorization to retaliate. Assign targets immediately.
3 targets locked. Three targets locked. Coordinates confirmed.
Missile 1 is away. Heading toward target. Impact in 8 minutes.
Target locked. Underground bunker, mountain sector. Trajectory confirmed.
Target assigned. Highly developed enemy city. Coordinates locked.